Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix decimal in Excel. So let's get started. Begin by opening the Excel workbook that contains the numbers you want to adjust for decimal places. Now select the cell and right-click on your mouse. From here, select Format Cells. Now choose Number. From the number format options, choose the format that suits your needs. Okay, that's it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.